Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and it is time to get back on the Monday grind. I know you're ready, so let's get this review started. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got an awesome watch face to check out by my man SSOM. The name of this watch face is called Hipster in 3 white. Now, if you've been following the freebies that's coming out of the Gear Manager store homepage, you have already gotten 2 of the watch faces, one red, one blue, and today now one black and white. This black and white is off the charts. This is a watch face that you put on when you're ready to dress to impress. Now, this is free for the taking. Both watches are going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store for a limited time offer, so make sure you go download as soon as you finish the video. Cool? All right, with that being said, let's check out the watch face. Now, in always on mode, this thing has a very nice look for the Gear S3, and for the Gear S2 it's going to look slightly different, but yet you'll still be able to get your information at a glance with no problem. But when the watch face is on, here's where you see a thing of beauty. This is definitely a traditional modern watch face all wrapped into one. You get a few dials with this one. I'm liking the design. I'm loving the layout and the colors. Up at the top, you're going to get your month and your date. You come down, you get information on your heart rate, your battery, and you also get information on your step status down at the bottom in that dial right there. Now, it is interactive, so if I want to, I could tap right here and I could get my battery info. I tap down at the bottom, it's going to give me info on calories burned, my step information. And if I tap here, I'm going to get my heart rate information, which is pretty cool. But if you also look around the bezel of the watch, they have more shortcuts. I mean, you get your weather. Let's tap right here and you get, come on out. You get your S voice, which nobody uses, right? And I thought that was pretty cool. You also get settings and you can get your music player. So he's given a lot in this watch face, especially given that it's free. I'm telling you, don't miss out on this one, but that's not it. Now, I've seen the red one, I've seen the blue one, but none of them compare to the look that you're going to get out of this one. Now, I love the hands, first of all, and I love the second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Very, very classy. But when I double tap here, it changes the theme of the watch face. Do you see what's going on around the bezel of the watch? Kind of lit up a little bit. We're going to do it again. We're going to go through all of them just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download. Did you see how the dials changed a little bit? Not bad at all. My man SSOM got down on this one. This one is definitely worth its weight in gold. I'm loving it. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this. Let me know if you're going to even download this watch face. With that being said, let's go ahead and check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now number 2 is just as nice as number 1. Probably not as bad as number 1, but number 2 is still nice. Now the name of the watch face is called Blle in 4. It's by SSOM. And it's a nice looking watch face, especially considering that it's free. Now what really sets this watch face off is when you have it in always on mode. It dims down the watch face to a great degree, and it allows the hour and the minute hand to show bright. I'm loving this look. I thought it was awesome. And when the watch face is on, you're going to get the 12, the 3, the 6, and the 9. You're also going to get your date right up at the top, along with the day of the week as well. Now you're going to get your battery info right here to the left, and to the right you're going to get your step status info. I haven't been anywhere, I haven't worn my watch, so I don't have any status going on right now. And you get the best of both worlds because you get a very small digital time, not a deal breaker, but yes, it's kind of tiny. But down at the bottom you will get your step status info, your calories burned, steps, miles walked or ran, and you're going to also get your heart rate information over here. And it is interactive, so if you tap on it, you can go in and get more of your step status info. If I tap on the date, I can bring up the calendar as well. I thought that was pretty nice, right? And if I double tap on the 6, I can change the color of the numbers to a few different colors and all, which is not bad at all. I like it, especially since it's free. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the freebie. Don't forget, it's for a limited time offer, so make sure you go download right away. Enjoy the Monday grind. Trust me, just keep grinding. It'll be over with soon. And with that, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.